Think the anaconda is big? Wait until you meet Titanoboa. This monster slithered through ancient rainforests 60 million years ago, reaching up to 42 feet long and weighing over a ton. That's heavier than a car. With jaws that could crush a crocodile, Titanoboa was the king of its swamp. But Titanoboa wasn't the only giant. Prehistoric snakes were true nightmares. Meet the Gigantophis, another ancient predator that was almost as long as a bus. And today's largest snakes, like the reticulated python and anaconda, they're huge, but they've got nothing on the giants that came before. Imagine coming face to face with this prehistoric predator. Or maybe don't. Would you dare swim in its water? For more animal giants and spine-chilling creatures, hit that follow for more.